Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. In this video, we're going to be taking on some additional rust repairs on this $500 Honda Civic Hybrid behind me. Now, in the last video, we took care of some of the wheel arch repairs near where the bumper meets the quarter panel. In this video, we're going to be looking at the rocker panels near the same area. Let's take a look at them. So again, in the last video, we took care of these back corners here, but this video, we're dealing with this nasty looking rusty area down here in the rocker panels. And you can see that this is a pretty bad rust spot, and I'm not sure quite how involved it will be to fix all of this. Best thing we can do is just start getting in there, cutting things away, and seeing where the good metal starts. So this is the driver's side, and as you can see, it's pretty well rotten, even on the bottom side here. I think this is just surface rust for the most part along this seam, but it definitely starts having some bubbling right about here. So more than likely we'll have to cut it about right there. Let's go look at the passenger side. So as you can see on the passenger side, it has not fared any better. And it looks pretty rough. In fact, if we look down that seam, it looks pretty bubbly down there as well, but I'll have to get the wire wheel on there and see how rusty it actually is. It could be good metal under there, but definitely not right here. I'm going to have to rebuild this inner skin and then kind of rebuild this outer rocker panel area. So the first thing we need to do is start cutting away this bad metal. so that is the passenger side rear rocker panel corner, now rebuilt and very, very strong. All right, let's go do the other side and see how deep we need to get there. Finishes out the driver's side rocker panel rear corner box section, and I'd say it turned out pretty well for being completely custom fabricated. There's no preformed sheets of anything. Now you'll notice I didn't grind off the weld on the bottom side of this rocker panel because again there's this chip guard that really spans the entire rocker panel. I just didn't want to waste my time trying to grind all those off because they're going to be covered up and you don't see them anyways. But on the parts you do see, they're pretty smooth. Those spot welds are nice and filled in. It's very, very sturdy. All right, so that wraps up what we were gonna accomplish in this video. So I planned there to be one more video to wrap up the rest of the rust repairs on this Honda Civic, but the rest of them should be fairly one-dimensional type repairs that won't take very long, at least I hope not. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys again next time.